Absolutely, and Candace, for many of those agencies, they've already implemented some extra cleaning procedures for their buses and trains. Meanwhile, they're also looking at implementing tougher cleaning procedures already in place, and they're asking passengers consider doing the same. Precautions abound at the Greyhound bus station Tuesday afternoon as hand sanitizer and disinfectant sit at the ticket window, while employees handling those tickets wear latex gloves. And passengers say they're taking what precautions they can.
But hand sanitizer, every time I see it, put it on. Doesn't hurt to put it on.
Cameron Gentry says he hadn't thought much about the virus until taking this bus trip.
You're so close to people and people are wearing masks and it just scares you and you know it's around, so it gives you something to worry about.
While similar signs of extra steps were on hand at the Staples Mill Amtrak station and being taken by passengers.
Trying to avoid people that were sneezing or people that seemed to be sick and didn't run into any of those.
While for the companies themselves, both say they are enhancing their cleaning protocols of their trains, buses, and the stations with an extra focus on the high-touch services like doorknobs and restrooms. Meanwhile, GRTC says they are monitoring the situation, but add they already deep cleaned the entire fleet over the span of 4 days with a focus on those high-touch surfaces like the fare box and pull cords.
What we are doing right now is looking at what it would take to, if we had to, if this progresses enough, to increase the frequency of the cleaning of those high-touch surfaces.
And spokesperson Carrie Rose Pace adds drivers are also given the option of wearing protective gloves while working.
And then some of our operators are also choosing to do their own enhanced cleaning mid-shift so that they are taking their own personal precautions, and of course we support that.
And the agencies are adding, they are recommending passengers follow those CDC tips to protect yourself: constant hand washing, using hand sanitizer, not touching your face. Meanwhile, for Greyhound and Amtrak, they're also offering the option for customers who booked their tickets in between certain dates to change their travel times for a later time in light of coronavirus. Working for you in Richmond, Cameron Thompson, CBS 6.